what are your expectations for this evening?
Well, I hope people will be happy. I mean, watching a romance movie, the only romance movie in the festival. I think they will like it.
Nandiyan na rin po mga kaibigan.